ukushadwa ngaphakathi isasiteri isale yatrowile ibisale yatrowa in community of property so akasekho usasiteri company beyithathalela dladla kanti hayi indoda eshadile iye esele ithi asilime siyetsheni vele kuye phambili kuye police station okay leya maloya ngi-adressa kanje who's keen or interested, who is an advocate or a lawyer who can help this gentleman, Pusho Lekani Katana, can intervene. Kula masifika la besimela ngaphandle.
Yeah, manje
Sesingakwazi ukungena la ngaphakathi.
Manje sesiyangena.
Manje singena phakathi inside.
Ngaphandle ni welcome.
Yeah, no siyajabula man yazi. Mr. Pusho Lekani Katani, siyabonga uzivumele namhlanje singenile endlini le last time we came here besime lapha ngaphandle kunzima ukungena la. So tell us about the journey ungene nini la and then uphila kanjani bakuphathe kanjani.
Ngingene last week Monday lama ori ofisini bathe ngize ngizosayina ngizohlala nomshana wami. Umshana wami akanankinga ulungile mhlambe yimi enginenkinga. Uyabona manje mina nomshana wami silungile siphila kamnandi sizihluphekela zithu.
Yeah.
Indlala kuphela la mfethu.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu osebenzayo.
Oh, akekho umuntu osebenzayo.
Akekho nomuntu onsponsayo ukuthi ngithole ukudla lana. Yeah, ngoba nginaniksi ngiyazama nami nokuthi ngibe nebusiness inyana ngizokhona ukuzondla nami. Ngingahlali ngigoqa izandla. Manje akekho lo muntu ongangisponsor wangiyenzela ibusiness inyana wangicalela ukuthi nami ngithengise ngizwazi ukuthi ngiphile ngithenge nokudla lana endlini. Nendlu uyayibona nawe ibolile lendlu lena. Inembobo idlekile. Neminyango yakhona ikhiwa inkinga nje. Angazi ngathini nje. Ngithi ningithumelene na ku Rain What bese bazolungisa nala. Ku Rain What le banceda abantu ukulungisa izindlu. Bese bazongibona nawe ma-orange ungithumelele abantu abazonginceda napha nami ukuthi ngiyenze i-buy and sell ngikhona ukuphila ngoba nginanex. Esibhedlela ngiya ngeinyawo ngiyofuna amaphilisi imali inyana lencane lenye itholayo ngiyayithatha kube yiyo ye-transport. Ngibulawa umfino lana nekhabishi lana nomshana wami. Umshana wami ungiphethe kahle. Akafuni sihlale singadlanga nasebusuku nje asilale singadlanga ukudla kuba khona.
So udla healthy moswena umfino nekhabishi.
Umfino nekhabiso yinyama yami isishabo sami leso. Ngiyasithokozela ngidla kamnandi. Mara nami ngiyayihalela inyama ngoba inyama sikhula ngayo.
Yeah.
Ngathi nami ngayithola leyo nyama enidlayo.
Mara bathi inyama iyagulisa mos abantu aba-healthy yilaba abadla umfino. Phela wena kusho ukuthi udla healthy in disguise you and you are not aware ukuthi udla healthy.
Injalo bafowethu ma-ori.
Hayi akuna flop angithi manje ithi ngibeke kanje. Kunzima kanje ngoba awuzimelanga emzimbeni angithi.
Yebo.
So udinga usizo.
Ngidinga isizo.
Udinga usizo kube nabantu maybe abangeza la bazokulungisela lendlu le la eceka khona ngoba vele yini zakudala nabongekho busejele mawuphuma ejele uphuma uthola lesimo lesi the way singakhona nomtshana wakhe
akasebenzi naye umshana unceda umama wakhe ukuthi aphile
unceda umama wakhe manje wena uyithola phi le mali encane lo ugibela ngayo la
ngiyithola la ebanganini la
awutholi disability grant
ngibhizi ngifuna yona bayangisokolisa lapha eMaponyamode lapha last bangibhukhele laphayana banginikeza idate mangibuyela laphayana igama lami alivela bangibhukhelanga lapha eMaponyamode ingimangazile nami leyo nto ukuthi bonke abantu bababhukhele babanikeze nama-date naba bayile bangenile babona udokotela waba-examiner mina mangiyakhona abangibhukhelanga mara bathi bangibhukhele inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kabi ngithukile nami ukuthi awubathe bangibhukhele ngiyobona udokotela examine abangibhukhelanga bengiye khona ngeyi-19 banginikeza idate yangeyi-13 this month ukuthi ngibuyele ngiyobona udokotela
manje phela mangikhumbula the last time sisalele salapha e-ofisini lekhansela lapha bowushoda nge-ID
i-ID ngiyitholile bafowethu i-ID
athi siyibone la i-ID
ngiyitholile i-ID bafowethu after 10 months to 12 months
usale wayilanda khona lapha eCommissioner Street
ngilande eMaponyamode Home Affairs la Orlando West ngilande khona
siyabonga and then ithe masokuceda ukuthola i-ID wabuyela lapha e-ofisini
ngabuyela laphayana e-ofisini
bathi no ngena endlini
yonke into i-right
uyabona ukuthi ukulandela i-procedure ku-right
ukulandela i-procedure bafowethu nemayini ithatha isikhathi sisokola kunzima ukuthi izinto zitholakale
ngoba ukwenza ama-decision based on being emotional sometimes kuba wrong ngoba mawulandela ama-emotions awenza ama-decision right angithi basale basi-explainela lapha bathi no thina siya-understand inkinga yakabhuti ubhuti dala zalawo siyamazi into esiyimele nje i-ID nathi nabo phela basebenza ngomthetho angithi
yebo
so ufila kanjani ngale podcast yethu
ngifila ngijabulile mfethu ngiyabonakala ukuthi nami ngisafe bese ngiluze ihope nami sengisho ukuthi akekho umuntu onqedayo emhlabeni isizwa ngilithole la emhlabeni selenyedwa ngiyabona ukuthi nomngani wami uTseko ukhona lapha uphusha noma orange lapha uma orange uyenza umsebenzi omuhle hayi for mina for sisonke lana emhlabeni uyasinceda la eJohannesburg umuntu onceda abantu la eJohannesburg ngoba kuseduzane
so uyasivuma
ngiyavuma ukuthi abantu abasincedayo uGP uma orange uIsrael Matsike Zulu broadcast YouTube
uZulu kaMageba
ngizongithola khona manimfuna ningibheke lapho ukuthi ngihlele naye niyambona nani bafethu i-gentleman lami niyankuka niyangitotobisa
ngiyatotoba it's 1124 Mulele Street Mulapo location Mulele Street 1124. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast Israel Matseke Zulu. If you can, or if you know somebody who can help, you are welcome. Let us gather together. Come, let's work together. Come, let's help each other. Umuntu ngabantu. Izandla azigezane. Asincedaneni sikhulisaneni sisizaneni. By so doing, that's the way we eradicate poverty. That's the way we eradicate criminal behavior, gangsterism. Gentlemen, the guy come from prison. I was in prison as well. We are ex-cons. Not to say this show was mainly formed for people who come from prison or the would-be criminals or people who find themselves mingling within the world of crime. No, everyone is welcome. We help everyone in all aspects and all perspective. Okay, I for one, I say, if you are an advocate, I still repeat, you are an advocate, or you are a lawyer, or you are a donor, or you are a funder, or you can lend a help, or you can lend a hand. You can come and help this gentleman. Let's do like 67 minutes of Mandela when Mandela celebrates, when we celebrate the legacy of Nelson Rolihlahla, the first former president of South Africa. On 67 minutes, we paint, we go to multi-purpose centers, we go to homes, we go to other avenues. So let us also consider a household like this home. It's one of the homes. They are in needy. They are struggling. People are not working. The man is critical himself. So this document, Mr. Pusho,
ile amaloya lawa angibalekelayo lawa ngicela ukuthi bangincede befethu njengoba sengiwulapha kuJeep uma-orange ngithi ngihambile ngize ngikhathele angisafuni next angisanalo ithemba sengiluze ihope sengiphelele kuye ukuthi uye okumele ancede uma-orange bafethu uGP bafethu.
athi ngibona le document le document le istata ukuthi waba critical kanjani
yonke into ukuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi ngibe critical bafethu.
So kwenzakaleni ukuthi ube critical?
Bathole ukuthi nginamanzi amaningi la ekhanda e-mental hospital eSterfontein eKrugersdorp la kuhlala inhlanya khona. Bathi bakhipha amanzi through spinal cord bayibiza ukuthi ilampa punch. Mama ngenza ilampa punch inaleti yaphukela e-spinal cord. 1994 nge-21 zaka October. Since ihlala kimi emzimbeni until 2007 eBarberton mabayi-remove uDr. Gitaha specialist wayi-remove i-spinal cord wayikhipha lapho inaliti lebe ihlele kimi 13 years yonke i-rust.
So lay
evidence bafethu
incwadi yofakazi
ifunakalayo into eshodayo
istata yonke into ukuthi kwenzakaleni
yonke into bafethu njengoba ngintshela ngithi ngikhuzukile kudala ngihamba ngize ngikhathele amaloya ayabaleka angithembisa amanga.
Also it's negligence eyenzakele kuwe.
I-negligence bafethu
uze ube critical
ukuthi ngize ngibe icripple bafethu.
So manje akwazi ukwenza next.
Angazi bafethu ukuzenzela yonke into ekumele ngizenzele yona bafethu.
Ngabe bokwazi bozokwazi nokurenovate?
Bengizokwazi nokurenovate indlu nayo ibolile bafethu.
Bozokwazi nokusiphandela.
Neminyango yakhona iyawa iyaziwela.
Manje ebusuku awusali ukuthi uzongena izinto la ngoba khiwa la.
Ngithukile nami ukuthi ebusuku ngangena botsotsi basihlasele lana ngoba khiwa vele lana.
Mara utsotsi self. Manje utsotsi usaba botsotsi kanjani? Ukhuluma himself.
Ithemba selikhona impilo iyakhanya manje iminyaka ihambile. Ukuthi manje ngincede labo abafana nami abangancedanga bafethu njengoba sicela ukuthi uma-orange asincede asitotobise nathi.
Mr. Pusho Lekani Katani, yayazi lento besiyifunda kuVenek bari moshanyana shinkatani. Mina ngenza South Sotho phela esikolweni akasihafarleki. So mangicabanga igama lakho cha ngizela ile monologue timoshanyana shinkatani. So akuna flop awuthi yami ngiyophelela la ngiphelela khona mina. Mara ngiyathemba ukuthi umhlaba uzwile. Onamadlebe uzwile onamehlo uyazibonela. Bafethu, here's a gentleman over here. We need help.
Cameraman ngicela ukuthi uthathe nalomnyango lone nala phezulu.
We need help.
Ubonakala ukuthi kubolile yabona izenke libolile lapha kunelanga.
Mara kubonanga kakhulu. Le mbobo lena bangayivala ngale nto wangileyana nale samende leyo kuvala makuthi kungangeni imvula.
Nalapha kungena umoya.
Hayi ukuthi kukhawatheke ngaleyo ndlela leyo mara khona abantu abangaqoma baze bazosiza var. Nami ngabe ngiphethe i-hardware ngabe ngiyabadonsa manje i-veneers shaya ama-touch-up, but nobody knows, only God knows. People are watching. Abantu abaningi sibasiza through saying what is the problem. We identify the problem, then as a nation we become the solution. Mina-ke ngizokushiya nge-2 la ukuthi ubha amapapa yabo njengawuthiyami le bayibiza ukuthi brother to brother, brotherhood. Yabona iphuma kanjani? Iphuma iyi-one, akumelanga iphume ibhayo ezojampisa ukuthi le ngiyagaya mina,
ya le umshana wami uyeza
le ngiyagaya ubhayisinkwa,
uzobhaya isinkwa ne-braai pack nyana umshana wami.
Yeah.
Lo ngithi ngubabakhe ngihlala naye siyabambisana siyazwana bafethu. Ngithi lo u-Israel Matsike Zulu broadcast YouTube bafethu, uyu ma-Ori lo.
Yeah.
Niyamazi bafethu musa, uyenza izinto bafethu.
Ngawari
Sinatha sesisonke bafethu,
sizabuyela emuva siyocheka,
ukuthi ngiyanqeda bafethu.
sizabuya maybe sizabuya ne-grocer bafethu nalaba abaney'toro ne Shoprite, any supermarket, Pick and Pay, Super Save, Checkers, Hyperama, street vendors, small shops, big shops. Anyone can contribute. Nama Pakistani, nama Somalian. You also welcome to come and contribute to the life of this gentleman. We can create a grocery. We can create a grocery for people to eat. Because if people don't eat, they become angry. And when they become angry, they develop anger. And when a human being got anger, get frustrated. And then the frustration uzoyikhipela somewhere kusasa nithi ya bayasibamba bajampa amabonda. Ganti, when we help each other, we are reducing crime. We are creating a free society, a crime-free society. Each one help one, and each one help all. Get to Professor Chipima Orange. Ulasiva la khona. See each other next time. Subscribe. Israel Matseke Zulu. This is a #1 podcast in the universe. It's innovative, it's productive, it's educational, it's inspirational, and it's relevant. See you next time. Thank you.
Ndawa ma-orange bafethu ngiyayicela leyo donation bafethu ngizodla laphana ukuthi amaphilisi angacreate nawo ama-ulcers amasiki amaningi ngoba ngidla amaphilisi amaningi bafethu.
Yeah, vele umuntu akadli akaphuza amaphilisi angadlanga. So it's very important. They can create damage.